why Lakshmi Devi wants to leave Vishnu and Narayan and Vaikuntha and become situated at the feet of Krishna. The gopis are saying even Lakshmi leaves her husband. She leaves Narayan to come home and be at the feet of Krishna. Why is that? So then Lord Chaitanya, he's explaining here in Madhya Lila to Sanatana Goswami. Brahmanda parabhyam tahan ye supagana tansavara bale hariman pati brata shiromani janre kahi vedavani akarsha ye se lakshmi gan. Pati brata shiromani janre kahi vedavani akarsha ye se lakshmi gan. Mahaprabhu told Sanatana Goswami, the beauty of Krishna's body is so attractive that it attracts not only the devatas and all other living entities within the material universe, but even the personalities of the spiritual sky, even Narayan, who is Krishna's expansion, according to the Gaudiyas. The minds of Narayan are attracted by the beauty of Krishna's body. In addition, Lakshmi Devi, Patiprata Shiromani, Lakshmi Devi, and the wives of Narayan, who are described in the Vedas as the crest jewel of all chaste women, they're also attracted by the wonderful beauty of Krishna. So this whole section, Mahaprabhu is describing the beauty of Krishna. And here he's describing Krishna so beautiful that the other forms of Krishna, or the other forms of Bhagavat Tattva, of Narayan and Vishnu, they're attracted to Krishna, and their wives also, because that's what the gopis are saying in verse 37, which is under discussion. They're saying that Lakshmi Devi, she's seeking your glance, and she leaves her husband so she can get a place at your lotus feet. So what to speak of us? So this is showing, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is showing the incredible beauty and attraction of Krishna. Pati Brata Shiromani Kahe Vedavani. The Vedas, all the words and teachings of Vani, the spiritual teachings of the Vedas, they are telling this Lakshmi Devi, she's the crest jewel, Shiromani, of all patis. Pati Brat, those that have a chaste vow to their husband, she's the, everyone's looking at she's the Pati Brata Shiromani, Vedavani,